Hello everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious vegetable soup using kale and spinach. It's called Diaspora style. So to make this, we start by cooking down the meat. So here I'm using some beef tripe, also known as shake, and some turkey wings. So you can use any meat of your choice. I'm using what I have in my refrigerator. So I'm going to season it with some diced onion, add some seasoning cube. I'm using Maggi Star. The Maggi is so hard, so I'm just going to throw it in there. It's going to dissolve anyway. Then go in with some salt. I'm going to give it a good stir. Stir it properly, and I will cover it and let it cook for about 20 minutes. I will not add any water. Yes, I'm not going to add any water to it. I'm going to let it cook on its own juice for about 20 minutes. So guys, it's been 20 minutes and as you can see, I didn't add any water. Those are the juice that came out of the meat. Yeah. So next I'll be adding a little water to continue cooking the meat. Yes, we are not done cooking the meat yet. I'm still going to cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes more. I love my meat to be tender. So after the next 20 minutes, I'm going to go in with the rest of the ingredients. So here I added some smoked turkey, followed by some smoked catfish and smoked shrimp. It's optional, guys. You don't have to use what I am using. Then next I went in with some palm oil. I'm being a little generous with the palm oil because I am making vegetable soup. So I'm gonna stir this and cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, this is how it's gonna look. Remember, we don't need too much water in this food. So next I'll be adding some ground crayfish, followed by some yellow habanero pepper, some red sweet pepper. Is optional. You don't have to use that if you don't have it or if you don't like it. Then next I added some ground okpei, which is locust beans, and some ground hairy fish. I'm going to give this a good stir so that all the ingredients will combine properly. So I'll be covering it and allowing the ingredients to cook for about 5 more minutes. So after 5 minutes, this is what we get. So now I'll be adding the kale. I am using kale. I didn't blanch my kale, so just slice the kale and add it. So I love to add the kale first because kale is a little bit harder than the next vegetable I'll be using. So I will give it a good stir for about 60 seconds before adding the next vegetable. So if you blanch your kale, you don't need to do this step. Just add it and add the other vegetable. So next I will be adding my blanched spinach. I blanch my spinach because spinach contains more water than kale. so I had to blanch it and squeeze out the excess water in it, and to speed up the cooking process. So that's, I'm just going to give it a stir for about 10 seconds or so, and the soup will be ready. You don't need to overcook your vegetable. You want it to retain its vitamins and minerals. Okay, so I made this soup on a request because some people were asking me the difference between a vegetable stew and vegetable soup. I posted a video of how I made vegetable stew last time, and I got that question, what's the difference between vegetable soup and stew? So I said to make this video so that you can see the difference. So this one is called vegetable soup. This is how we make our vegetable soup, and the other one is called vegetable stew. I used tomato in that one, I didn't use tomato in this, but it's all the same. You can still use this one to eat rice, so but mainly we use it to swallow. Yeah, like this one I'll be using it with a pounded yam. Okay, thank you guys. Just serve and enjoy with any swallow of your choice. See you guys in my next one. Bye.